What a great elevator! It's the fabulous Barbie Townhouse. A 53 stories tall, and you put it together with all this furniture.
You guys, can you believe this? I actually managed to get my childhood Barbie townhouse. I am so excited to clean this and get it put together, but I just wanted to show you first. And it came with loads of furniture and accessories, plus a Barbie suitcase full of Barbies. So everything is sparkling clean now. I just have to wait for it all to dry, and then I can put my lovely Barbie townhouse together. So now it's time to put it all together, and I'm pretty sure that I remember how to do this. Plus, it's pretty easy to figure out. So we have these pieces here that clearly fit into these holes, and pop it in like so, and then twist it, and now it is firm. So you just keep doing that with all of them, like so. So now I have all of those initial pieces on my base piece here, and this is like the drawing room area, and this is clearly the kitchen. So now I just gotta go grab my columns, and I pop the columns on like so. And once I have all of these columns on, then I'm going to grab this one, which has double sides on it, and that gets popped in there. And then the next floor gets put on top of this, and we just keep going that way. So these double-sided attachment thingies here are actually a little bit different, and they do have a very specific way they have to go in. So the side that has these little sticky outy parts on either side has to be sticking up, because those parts match this part here that is cut out in the next level. So it kind of goes together like a puzzle piece. So this part here that doesn't have those, that gets put like so. And then this is sticking up, so when you put the next floor on, it all fits together and stays together nicely. So once I had them all attached, I simply twisted them, so this part now acts as a lock, and I did that with every single one, and it keeps this floor from slippy sliding around and locks everything in place. All right, now I'm going to go attach the rest of the floors. Okay, so I have the basic structure all done. Now it's time to get the back and the elevator pieces sorted out. So with the elevator, it's very, very easy. You just have 3 pieces here, and you're going to clip them together. Okay, so you just pick up one of your elevator pieces here, and on the bottom part, put one of these clips. This does not have the double side on it, and you just pop that in. Very, very easy. Then on the other end, you put one of the double-sided ones, and this and this both have to be facing the same way, of course. Now we're just going to add another one, and then our next double one, and then our last piece and the top clip. And now we can go clip this to the elevator position. So the elevator supports are very easy just to clip on. On every floor is a hole, and each of those holes corresponds with these clips. And you can see here, I've already clipped the top one, but if we move down here, I'm just gonna line it up and clip it, and it is super secure. And this one, can I do it? Oh, that one was a bit harder. Okay, and the bottom one, and then I'm just going to go attach the other support. That is coming together so nicely, and I think next I'm going to clip the back on, and then we can attach the elevator. So I was just wiping off the background here and repairing some areas with a little bit of tape, and look what I found. Mattel 1983. So I was 9 or 10 years old, and I am so pleased to have found the basically identical Barbie house that I had when I was a kid. And I am so happy about that. Look at that, 1983. So yeah, I was 9 or 10 years old when this was created. So just like the elevator, each one of these, look at that. I mean, come on. Look at that. That is definitely the coolest townhouse exterior ever. But anyway, so just like the elevator supports, each one of these has a corresponding hole on the inside. And from the outside, it's like this. From the inside, you just clip it into the hole. And yeah, that's it. That's what holds the whole thing together on the back. Jack, that's not your carpet. That's the carpet for the Barbie house. Jack, can you please move, sir? I know, it's a very comfortable carpet that we got from the boys' prop sale, but it's not your carpet. Sir? Sir? Can I please set up my Barbie house there? Come on, move. Come on. Okay, now you're gonna ignore me? All right. So I did manage to get Jack to move long enough so I could get everything set up in a little corner of my tiny Refashionista studio that's in my basement, although he is here lurking very, very close to the carpet still. Anyway, let's do a tour. So up top we have the roof patio where Chantal is having a bit of a hangout party with some of the other 80s Barbies there. Next we have the bathroom, and Guy is in there, I guess, reapplying some of his Axe body spray. But like, how cool is this? There's even a little mini Barbie caboodles, and there's her little lotions and potions. And next we come down to the studio floor, and there I am with my sewing machine. And look, there's, see, a lovely picture of Jack on the side table, and there's Citrus doing some social media management work. And yeah, my laptop is also there. And this in the little purple thing here is the stash, and there really is a stash in there. Next, come down to the kitchen, and we have the fridge, and hello, sir. This absolutely fabulous microwave and stove and oven combination. And if we can see, sorry, Jack, come on, buddy, move. Okay, there is Frau Inge in the elevator, ready to go up and make sure everybody is doing their job. And here we have a burger, just in case somebody gets hungry, and some more kitchen implements there. And should we check if the elevator works? Yes, everybody loves you, buddy. Everybody loves you. Everybody sees you. So Jack has been scooched out of the way once again, so I can show you this brilliant elevator, and Frau Inge can go check on the rest of the staff. So here is the string, and it goes all the way around over top of the roof and onto the elevator. And then when we pull the string, la, she can check. So there we are in the studio. Yeah, alles okay here. And then she's going up to the powder room, and she sees Guy. And what's Guy doing? Oh, Guy, you are not needing to be putting on any more of the body spray. That is a little bit too much, I think. And then she goes back down to the kitchen. I cannot put into words how absolutely thrilled I am with my amazing 1980s Barbie house. Little traumatized, abused Sheri in here is definitely experiencing some healing because I have this now. And I truly believe that if there's any grown-ups out there who are maybe feeling a little bit awkward or weird because they are desperately missing something from their childhood, don't. You're a grown-up. You're allowed to do whatever the heck you want now. You answer to no one but yourself. So whatever toy you're missing, whatever stuffed animal, whatever, anything you are missing, go find it. Check online, check in thrift stores, get it for yourself, and I am the proof. I can guarantee you that your little you inside is going to love you for it and thank you so much. For real. And I know for my own self, whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed or depressed or just any big feelings, I'm going to come here and I'm going to play with my mini-me and my characters and the rest of my Barbies, and it's really going to make me feel better, because just being near this right now, I am experiencing so much joy, and it is such a wonderful feeling, especially when you come from a not so nice background like me. And I don't know how to describe it. It's such a wonderful feeling. You putting it all together, setting it all up, putting all the little accessories and everything. It just makes me feel so wonderful. So I highly recommend doing this. And if anybody wants to come over and play Barbies with me, let me know.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.